Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is math lesson number 1 for class 7, and I am math teacher Maqbool Ahmed. Students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Content of our lesson: Introduction to sets, page number 2 and 3. Previous knowledge. We have already learned in class 6 about set. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. The objects in any set are called its members or elements. Now, can I ask you questions related to this definition? What is meant by well-defined? Number 2, distinct objects. Well-defined means a specific property of an object that enables it to be an element of a set or not. There are 3 rules for selecting a well-defined object. These rules are: number 1, well-defined object is that which is acceptable for everyone. No one can reject it. Number 2, if there is no confusion or difficulty for us to tell that whether a specific object belongs to a set or not, then that object will be well defined. An object is well defined which follows some rules. Distinct. Distinct mean some objects should not appear more than once. For example, the set of letters of the word small is S, M, A, L. In these examples, we can see that the letter L has been written only once, so L is distinct. If L is written twice like S, M, A, L 2 times within the braces, then the element L is not distinct and this collection will not be set. Now we discuss history of set. Set theory. Set theory is a branch of mathematics that studies set. It is the creation of George Cantor, who was born in Russia on 3rd March 1845. In 1873, he published an article which marks the birth of the set theory. George Cantor died in Germany on January 6, 1918. Introduction. In our daily life, we use the word set only for some particular collections such as water set, tea set, dinner set, sofa set, a set of books, a set of color, and so on. But in mathematics, the word set has broader meanings than those in our daily life because it provides us a way to integrate the different branches of mathematics. It also helps us to solve many mathematical problems of both simple and complex nature. In short, it plays a pivotal role in the advanced study of the mathematics. In the modern age, look at the following examples of a set. Number 1, set A is equal to the set of counting numbers, or number 2, set B is equal to the set of Pakistani provinces. Now we define set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Numbers. The objects are numbers in any sets are called its members or elements. Expressing a set. There are 3 ways to express a set. Number 1, descriptive form. Number 2, tabular form. और नंबर 3, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. बच्चों ये आज हमने सेट की डेफिनेशन के मतलब प्रीवियस नॉलेज को भी रिवाइज किया है और आज जो है वो हम डेफिनेशन के साथ साथ सेट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के या एक्सप्रेस करने के हमारे पास 3 मेथड्स हैं. इनको अब हम डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, डिफाइन करेंगे, जो कि नंबर 1 डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म और नंबर 2 टेबुलर फॉर्म और नंबर 3 जो है सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म है. तो इनमें नंबर 1 डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म. इफ अ सेट इज डिस्क्राइब्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ स्टेटमेंट इट इज कॉल्ड डिस्क्रिप्टिव फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जांपल, set A is equal to the set of counting numbers. इसमें हम सेट्स को एक स्टेटमेंट की फॉर्म में जो है वो लिखेंगे, जो कि आपको सेट A की फॉर्म में नजर आ रही है. द सेट ऑफ काउंटिंग नंबर्स. सेट B, द सेट ऑफ पाकिस्तानी प्रोविंसेस. Number 2, tabular form. If we list all elements of a set within the braces and separate each element by using comma, it is called tabular or roster form. For example, set A is equal to A, E, I, O, U within the braces. Set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 within the brackets, and we can see each element is separated by using comma within the braces. Set builder form. Number 3, if a set is described by using a common property of all its elements, it is called a set builder form. For example, A set is equal to X such that X is the solar month of a year. Within the brackets, set B X such that X belong to set of natural number and X lies between 1 and 5 within the bracket. And set C x such that x belong to set of whole number and x less than 5. Home assignment. Separate descriptive, tabular and set builder form. Set A is equal to set of solar month start with letter J. Set B is equal to football, hockey, cricket within the bracket. Set C is equal to x such that x is an even number. Set D, two colors in rainbow. E is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Within the bracket F, set is equal to x such that x belong to set of natural number and x less than 99 within the bracket. Thank you. Have a nice day.